Omexom Australia provides the capability to utilise unmanned aerial vehicles or drones for utility pole-based asset inspection and assessment services. This service enhances our ability to identify and assess the condition of customers' assets. We are also able to draw upon the extensive experience of our owner, Vinci Energies, in the application of drone technology in similar fields. Our drones are fitted with high-resolution digital cameras to capture detailed images of pole-top structures and hardware. All images are date-stamped and incorporate GPS coordinates for asset mapping. The benefits of our drone inspection services include the safe and quick access to difficult-to-reach sites. It minimises property access. It mitigates the risks associated with travelling through construction sites and mining areas. It gives us the ability to operate in environmentally sensitive areas. We have the ability to operate in high fire risk areas to inspect poles. And we can complete line patrols after storm conditions where plant cannot gain access. Omexom Australia is a CASA certified operator. For more information on our drone services, contact Omexom Australia via our website.